Hello, welcome to today's Trade Tracker. Today is August 13th. It's 2025. It's about 5:56 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I tell you, I've been getting a lot of very positive feedback. I don't know anybody on the internet that's actually has a trading plan and they're actually sharing it, with some of their followers day by day, step by step, trade by trade, moving forward to show you, how solid and how good it works. And the positive and the negative aspects of it as you trade forward, and that's what I'm going to be doing here with these trade tracker videos. I'm going to pick up where I left off yesterday, briefly go through the performance report. Like I said, I have a lot of back testing data I'll get out to you. But what's most important is not so much the history of this; it's moving forward, right? I mean, I've had great success using this. I can show you all kind of back testing reports, but you know. The best way to help you is moving forward, right? Not going backwards. So for those of you that are trading funded accounts, or maybe you're trading your own money, I want to be here to help you, and I just want to help you, move along and create a high probability chance for you to get through your evaluation accounts, get to your funded accounts, and then not just get a funded account, but start pulling money out of your funded accounts through Apex Trader Funding. And if you haven't done that yet, I suggest go to Apex Trader Funding, use the promo code funded one, which is the number one, and you'll get the current discount. You can get a funded account anywhere from 50 to 300,000 for about 40 bucks a month. It's a great way to learn how to trade. Plus, you can make money pulling money out. But you have to know how to trade to do that, right? And that's where I'm going to help you. So let me just fly in here and just kind of pick up where I left off yesterday. Like I said, I'll be moving forward with this as we move along here day to day. But here's some real quick stats. The Apex multiple time frame trading strategy. It's basically a high probability breakout momentum trading strategy. This is designed. I have four different strategies for different types of traders. This particular one is for day traders, and the way I'm defining day trader is somebody that's looking to trade a couple times a day, right? I have a scalping system that trades about 15 times a day, and then I have some other longer term swing trader systems that trade just once or twice a week, if that, much smaller, slow, longer term time frame. So anyway, this is for the day trader, a couple times a day. It's not a lot of trades, but when we get the entries, they're extremely accurate. And then also some of these scalpers actually are scalping around some of these exits. I mean, these entrances, and then getting out during the exits. And I can show you how to do that as well. So here's some real quick stats. I started just randomly started July 23rd. We have right now we actually have an 87% win rate. Risk to reward 3.6 to 1. Our profit's been about 8,700 per trade, but there's four positions per trade. Every trade has three targets and then a runner, and then there's one stop loss combined. So this is what it looks like here. All 32 positions that are divided amongst eight trades. And just some real quick stats here. With eight larger trades, each trade has four positions, so there were 32 positions. Trades about three large trades per week. If you multiply that by four, that's 12 positions, so 12 quicker trades per week. And we'll just get right down here to the average winner was about $1,200, average loser about 360. So it's been starting off here really good. And I'm just going to show one more thing here before I get actually into some of the trade setups. This, of course, is the equity curve. And then what we have here, this is showing the same equity curve, but this breaks down. Get this out of the way somewhere. This actually breaks down every trade with the four positions, right? So from here to here was the first trade with the four positions. From here to here was the second trade with the next four positions, and so on. As you can see, it's performed very well. The seventh trade, we had a bit of a dip here. And the eighth trade, we still have a couple open positions. Actually, today, one of those closed out for a profit. So we've been doing very well. And let's see, I move to the next chart here. And this is just a brief chart here showing what the during all four of those positions, what the profit was as we hit our profit targets and our stop losses for each contract. This is trading the NASDAQ micro minis, a max of four positions on every trade. So four is our entry, exit on four. We keep the position sizing the same. Our profit target's the same and our stop loss is the same. This is that seventh trade right here. We had some losses here in a row. And right now we have actually this third one here has been a winner. And that fourth one, the runner's still open. So I'm going to keep you updated on this. You can feel free to trade along with me here in the near future. I'm going to be having some live trading classes and live trading sessions. I'm going to record everything. So if you just stay in the loop with me on this, I'd like to bring you along and help you pull some money out of these funded trading accounts through Apex Trader Funding. So right now, what I'm going to do, I already went through this yesterday, right? We had our entry, our stop loss, and our three profit targets. And the runner got stopped out here. That first trade was a 670 point profit with a $1,340 dollars in profit using, of course, the 4 micro contracts. So now I'm going to move right along to the second trade that we had. Show you how that one worked out. I'm going to keep moving all along here every day, until I get to the current time period. But I do want to show every single trade of everything documented, so people just think I'm just making this up and it's just a bunch of clickbait or something. This is the real deal. I'm taking a lot of these trades, not everyone, because this is showing 23 hours a day, around the clock, all the possible trades that could be taken. Except of course the market NASDAQ futures is closed for that 1 hour between 4 and 5 Central Time. Our next entry here was this is 100% automated. This is rule based. Keep in mind this is there's no guessing here. There's no chasing. There's no hoping. This is 100% discipline, 100% execution and consistency. And we're just following a trading plan that had some very good success. It has some probabilities that are etched in our favor. And it's like Vegas, right? We're just doing the same thing over and over and over again. And we're just keeping the probabilities in our favor, trying our best not to deviate from any of these rules. We're all human or emotions. We tend to deviate, but we don't want to, right? This whole video series is about sticking with your plan, okay? And it's, like I said, 100% rule-based. I got the trading plan. I can send it out to you, and you can follow along with me on this, and we'll get you making some money here. You only need to spend a couple hours a day, if that, trading this. Because you can just put your entries in, put your profit targets in, your stop losses, and actually walk away. You don't need to actually be glued in front of the computer on this, which is very nice. Okay, and as I said, it's 100% automated. So as you can see here, I'll roll my cursor over where that blue arrow is. So right there, you can see we have the entry. Right there, it says the entry on that day was. Okay, what's the close of that right there is 23,456.75. So that white line right there, you can see the entry right there, 23,456.75. We take our entry, okay, and we put our target 1, target 2, target 3, and I put our stop loss 100 points below for all 4. As you can see, the first target gets hit at 120. The second one gets hit at 160, the third one at 270. As we move along here, as I mentioned yesterday, one of the rules on this, and as we move along, you'll learn more of the rules. I don't want to bore you with the whole list of rules here, but when we move along, you'll learn what they are. Basically, this stop loss is a trailing stop loss. Once target 2 gets hit, like it did right here, okay, you can see right there, target 2 gets hit. And what do? We move our stop loss to break even. So now once target 2 gets hit, the last 2 contracts cannot be any losers. The worst case is they break even because we're moving that stop loss to break even, okay? And then once target 3 gets hit, And then we just move that runner down here to target 1, which is a 120-point stop. We move that line over, and then we just ride it out until it gets hit like it did here, okay? So now that one had 3 winners, and then our runners, you can see the staircase up here, got hit with a 120-point profit. So that was our trade number 2, and those are the 4 positions, okay? Sorry about these pop-ups here, having a internet connection here, obviously, with this. Okay, so now as we move along here, move along here to the next trade. Sorry about that connection issue. Okay, so here's the next short trade there. Okay, the signal right there, you can see the signal gave us a short at 23, 534.50. So on all these numbers you see, and they're always the close of the bar, we got our short right there. What's the first thing we do? Put in a stop for all 4 contracts at 100 points. Stop loss 23, 634.5, which is 100 points above our entry here. So our first target is 120, second target is 160, and third target is 270. So what happens here as we move forward, we can see that the, there we go. First one gets hit, second one gets hit, the third one's down here. So what's going to happen as this price moves here, either it's going to move up and hit our stop loss, which is a break even, or we're going to hit a profit target. So let's keep cruising along here to the right. What happens? There we go. Profit target that gets hit, another 270 points. All right. So target 1, 2, and 3 get hit. As you can see, when target 3 gets hit, we move our stop loss down to right to the target 1 level like we did just on the last trade. Very simple. And we just follow this down. We're making money all the way down here. And then another one of the rules is, right, once price gets 200 points below target 3, we move our stop loss here to target 3. So now the worst we can do on the runner is a 270-point profit. And now we just follow this down all the way down here, keep moving. And you can see there that blue line is the automated trade signal. We finally get a reversal here. That reversal came in on August 3rd at 1950. All right, this is a 24-hour clock here. So we close out the 4th trade. So our three targets here were 550 points in profit. The runner was 589.79. I'm sorry, the runner was 589.75 points. So our total was 1,139.75 points in profit. And there's our runner right there, the exit on the reverse breakout. So that now those positions are closed. Okay. Here's the following the next trade. We get our signal here. You can see we get the trading signal there at 22,944.75. So what do? 100 points below, right? You can kind of see it's wash, rinse, and repeat. Put the same profit targets in. What happens? Target 1, target 2, target 3 get hit here, right? We're moving our stop losses up, right? You can see, of course, what we did here. Target 2 gets hit, and the 4th stop loss gets moved to break even. Let's keep moving along here. Okay, our runner gets hit here, right? It runs all the way up. We take it out when we get a breakout switch. On this particular one, you can see the points that we gained, the profit we gained, right? 3 profit targets, 550, the runner 271, and we just keep moving along here, okay? I'll do one more and then I'm gonna stop the video. Our next trade here, we can see when was that? That was on August 5th, 9:45 a.m. in the morning. We get a short signal, so everything along is closed out. What do? 4 contracts. We put our stop loss up here, right? Doesn't get hit. Target 1 gets hit. Target 2 gets hit. Okay, so now we have 2 more contracts. So we have the runner and target 3. So we keep moving along here. And now both target 3 and the runner both get stopped out here. Right here, I'm sorry, right here at the stop loss here, right there, because right, we see when target 2 gets hit, what do? We move our stop loss to what? Break even. So target 2 got hit here. That's why the stop loss is right there at break even, which is 23,216. We get out, right? Price came up and hit it, so we're out. So now all we do now is we're waiting for the next breakout. So on that particular trade, right, with 280 points profit, 560 for four micro contracts. I broke it down here. Two profit targets of 280 points. The third contract and the runner were stopped out at break even, so there were no points. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Tomorrow I'm going to continue. We'll start from right here, which is the breakout on the long side is 11:05 on August 6th. I'll go through that trade, and then on these videos, I'm going to keep moving along until we get current, and then we'll just follow these currently moving forward, and then get you on board. We'll get you into those, past your evaluation account. Then we'll get you into what they call a performance account, and once you pass that performance account, we'll get you pulling some money out. All right. So all you need to do is just make sure you head over to Apex Trader Funding. Get a couple accounts set up, practice. Right here, apextraderfunding.com. Use the code funded1, and then it's a real simple process to get your accounts set up. And it's basically it's monopoly money when you start out, but once you prove you know what you're doing, which I'm going to help you with these videos here, then you start pulling some money out, and you're making money, and you have none of your money at risk. You're never, ever, ever going to risk your own money. The worst case is you'll be out the 30, 40 bucks, whatever it was, to open up the account. But that's it. After that, it's all upside. It's all profit. You're not going to be, risking your own money here, which is why I love Apex Trader Funding. I love this funding account package. When I will learn how to trade, I had to learn by using my own money, and boy, it was very expensive. This is a much better way to learn about trading. You get really good, and you're not using your own money. So, okay, I'm going to end it there. Hope you had a good day today trading. Like I said, today's the 13th. It is Wednesday. We'll be back online tomorrow with another quick video on Thursday the 14th, and we will go from there. So in the meantime, make it a great day. All right, take care. Bye-bye.